FAQ about Duranta's Sweet Memory. If you're thinking of adding a burst of color to your garden, you might be considering the Duranta Sweet Memory. This plant is a popular choice for many gardeners due to its vibrant flowers and attractive foliage. Let me share some frequently asked questions and answers about this lovely plant. What is Duranta Sweet Memory? Duranta Sweet Memory, also known as Duranta Erecta Sweet Memory, is a tropical shrub renowned for its stunning clusters of blue and purple flowers. It's a variety of the Duranta genus, often admired for its ornamental value. This plant is known for its dense, glossy foliage and cascading blooms that create a dramatic visual impact in gardens. How to care for Duranta Sweet Memory. Caring for Duranta Sweet Memory plant is relatively straightforward, but it does require some attention to detail. Light. Duranta Sweet Memory thrives in full sun to partial shade. For the best flowering, place it in a location where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the plant has good drainage. During dry spells, increase the watering frequency. Soil. It prefers well-draining soil. A mix of loamy soil with good organic matter is ideal. Ensure that the soil pH is slightly acidic to neutral. Fertilizing. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring through summer. This will help support vigorous growth and abundant flowering. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape and promotes bushier growth. Trim back the plant after flowering to encourage a dense, attractive form. How to propagate Duranta Sweet Memory. Propagation of Duranta Sweet Memory can be done through several methods. Cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer or early fall. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment until roots develop. Seeds. While less common, you can start Duranta Sweet Memory from seeds. Sow seeds in a seed-starting mix and keep them moist. They need warm temperatures to germinate. What to plant with Duranta Sweet Memory. Duranta Sweet Memory pairs well with a variety of plants. Complementary blooms. Combine it with other tropical plants like hibiscus or lantana for a vibrant, colorful garden. Foliage plants. Try pairing it with plants like ferns or hostas to create a contrast in textures and colors. Ground covers. Use ground covers like sweet potato vine or creeping thyme around the base to add depth and reduce weed growth. Is Duranta Sweet Memory poisonous? Yes, Duranta Sweet Memory is considered toxic. All parts of the plant, including the berries, are poisonous if ingested. It's important to keep the plant away from pets and small children. Ingesting the berries or leaves can cause symptoms such as vomiting and diarrhea. What about Duranta Sweet Memory bush and tree forms? Duranta Sweet Memory can be grown in various forms. Bush. When grown as a bush, it forms a dense, rounded shape with a profusion of blooms. Regular pruning helps maintain its bushy appearance. Tree. If grown as a standard, it can be trained into a small tree form. This requires regular pruning and a central leader to develop a single trunk. How to care for Duranta Sweet Memory in different forms. Bush. For the bush form, focus on regular pruning to maintain shape and promote flowering. Ensure it gets enough water and sunlight. Tree. For the tree form, staking may be necessary during the early years to support the trunk. Prune regularly to maintain a single trunk and ensure a balanced canopy. Duranta Sweet Memory vine. Is it a climber? While Duranta Sweet Memory is typically grown as a bush or tree, some varieties can be trained to grow as a vine. It can be used to cover trellises or fences, providing a cascading effect of flowers. Regular pruning and support are necessary to guide its growth and prevent it from becoming too unruly. Conclusion. The Duranta Sweet Memory is a versatile and attractive plant that can add a splash of color and interest to your garden. Whether you're growing it as a bush, tree, or vine, with the right care and attention, it can thrive and bring beauty to your outdoor space. Just remember to handle it with care due to its toxic nature, and enjoy the stunning display it offers.